Hi. So I did some shopping. It was actually like a few months ago that I bought all these clothes, and I've never actually tried this brand before, even though for some reason we would always get magazines in the mail from this brand. It's called Venus, and I don't think me or my mom ever bought anything from Venus. Recently I wanted to get like some black dresses because I didn't really have very many, and there were a lot of them on sale on Venus's website. I've worn 2 of the dresses in today's haul, and that's it. Nothing else I've worn. Today I'm going to start. What? So, yeah, I never really ordered anything from Venus before because like all their models are really gorgeous, and they all have a lot more action up here than I do, and I don't know, I just didn't think that I could fill out any of the clothes, but now I really don't care. So this is the first thing. It's the most simple thing that I got, I think. It's one of those jumpsuits. What are they called? It's like the little leotard deal. That's what this shirt is. So this shirt is like a little leotard deal, and the pants are from American Eagle. If you're interested, I'll link those as well. I don't normally wear shirts like this at all. I've never worn a shirt like this. It's got like the little snaps, like a baby outfit. So I know that's pretty convenient when there's snaps, so you can like, whenever you're out and you gotta go like to the bathroom or whatever. So I like the shirt. The reason why I got this, I have always wanted to be Sandra D in Grease. Whenever she has this black shirt on, but with leather black pants in the ending scene, I thought she was super cool. I don't have any leather black pants, so just picture me in leather black pants. Oh, and of course the red high heels. Yeah, one day I will find the perfect leather black pants, and I will be her like for Halloween or something. But yes, this is the shirt. I think it can be worn like this. I don't know, it kind of feels weird like that. Go out now? Okay. Back is nice. It's just good. And I feel like it's good quality. I don't remember how much any of these items costed really. Like I said, I got these months ago. They all might not be on the website still, but they've got a lot of stuff like this. And there are a lot of items that are still on the website because I see them like advertised to me now. Okay, let's go to the next one. I look like some sort of a vampiress. Yeah, I like this one. It's kind of like a little crop top deal. I have got it still paired with these same jeans, but I think maybe a high-waisted black skirt would be nice, or you know, whatever high-waisted skirt you think. It's got great lace detailing on the shoulders here. Hi, vampira. And on the back. Look at how pretty. Yeah, I need to go on a date with my husband with this because that would be very pretty. I've got on a nude bra underneath this. I don't know, or you can wear like the little pasty things, but I think the nude bra looks fun. Or maybe just a black camisole, but then you wouldn't be able to see all the lace detailing. But yeah, I like this a lot as well. It's like double layered in here, and it's very good quality. I like how this kind of cinches in right there. I'll show you this double layer action a little bit. It's kind of like And this is very soft material. The lace is not itchy at all. It's very nice. I like it. The bottoms of the sleeves are like a little bit tight if you wear them up, which is what I like to do, but I forgot to mention the last shirt is a size small. This shirt is also a size small. So, yes. Okay, on to the next one. I couldn't do that one very well because there's a cat right here. Now I look like an adult piano student, which I was once. Now I don't take piano anymore, but I haven't seen it. Anyway, or maybe a pirate. But yes. Y'all, look how shiny. Shiny. So if you buy this, I think I would wear something underneath here because this is my skin. But I've got it paired with this black little fitted skirt, simple black skirt, because it's got this great detailing here that the shirt kind of flares out like a little skirt action. It looks like one of those, I think they were called peplum dresses that were very in style, but it's a little bit lower in the back, so it looks kind of piratey. And there are 2 layers on the sleeves. Whenever I saw this on the website, I was like, oh my god, that is me. This is me in a shirt, and I've never worn it yet. This is also a size small. It's very soft, and it's velvet. But, oh, it kind of reminds me of like a corset with these little guys, and I think they work, yeah. So, maybe it would make like a nice little, maybe kind of a cool cardigan type of over garment over a black camisole. That would be kind of chill, maybe. I don't know how it's gonna look. This skirt, if you're wondering where the skirt is from, I'm pretty sure it's from Goodwill. This is probably my least favorite. I feel like it's supposed to be super flattering, and I was very excited for it, but all the ruching, like ruching is supposed to flatter you, but it's not the kind of ruching that's tight, that will like, you know? It kind of just does the opposite. It has the opposite effect, because instead of it being tight, it just kind of makes you look a little, I mean, this bit right here, it's poofing out, and that's a bad, like, you might not want to poof out right here, you know? I mean, it's good quality. It's double layered, like the other shirt I mentioned, and I don't know, I feel like maybe you could wear it to work, you know. One more black dress. This is, I feel like I keep having to, I think this dress looks way better on the model, but I think there are a few more colors to this dress. I don't know, I feel like on the model it was way more flattering right here in this area. Like it's supposed to pinch in nicely into your waist right there. There's just too much fabric that billows out, so you're not getting that hourglass. It's still just like, and then it's even worse because now there's like extra fabric to go with it. It might look a lot better with like a thick, chunky belt. I love this dress. And it is really good quality. So yeah, this is a small as well. And it was a little bit on the pricier side compared to the other dresses that we just looked at. I think it was around $70, but it is extremely good quality. This is my favorite part of the dress. It's just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And these bottom little sleeves, they're elastic, but they don't even like hug my wrist right here. You could like pull it up a little bit and it's nice. And these tassels, I love long tassels. You could like do it like this. I guess I'll show. I feel like an elf princess in this dress. Okay, so I went from vampiress to pirate to elven princess. Yes. And it's got a nice thick liner that is attached. So that's nice. It's like very breathable. It's got the double layers again. These were really good quality products from this website. This area right here is not like too tight or anything. It's the same as these little sleeves, but it's just tight enough to give you a good shape, and I think it would be flattering on anybody. I remember reading the reviews on this dress, and I think almost all of them said how flattering it is on the person that bought it. So, and I think I might actually wear this for Halloween, like to be an elf or something, like an elven goddess. Ooh. Tell me what you think about this dress. Would you wear it? The color is gorgeous. It's this jewel toned green, like emerald color. I love this dress. I'm sorry if the whole time during this video I've been like looking at myself in the little thing. I just want to make sure that I'm talking about the details of the outfits. One more. Two now. I feel like just a plain old goddess in this one. This one is my favorite one out of all of those. I love the green one that we just had, but there is something about this one, and it is such good quality. The details, and it's like nice and thick. Oh, that ain't good. Hold on one sec. So this just came off after I said it was such good quality. That's okay. This girl knows how to sew some stuff back onto her stuff, okay? But anyway. And the only thing that looks a little bit off about this dress is like the back is just plain black. But then it kind of gives you a surprise. In the front. Party in the front. Just witchy vibes in the back. That's one more thing I like about this dress. It's kind of witchy. It's like a witchy goddess. Yes, these details run all the way through the dress. Like there's not just one part of it that's really gorgeous details and then the rest is like fake details. It's both of these little panels, whatever, have that stitching and the beads. And the dress came with a ton of extra these beads. And I wore this dress in a vlog, like a couple vlogs ago, a few vlogs ago now. I've worn it once before, and I actually wore it without any necklaces because I thought all the beads and stuff were super pretty already. But it kind of looks good with this silver one. The beads are they're like a light goldish silver. So, what did you think? What was your favorite piece? Have you tried Venus.com before? Have you tried any of their clothes? Do they send you like 5 of their catalogs every month? Let me know if I should do more little try-on hauls. Do you want to see me style these little black dresses for summer? Because that would be fun. This is a good summer dress. The picture of the model in this dress, I can't. I love it. I love it. All right, I will see you next time. Like this video if you like it. Comment if you want to see more of these kinds of videos with clothes, and subscribe if you want to see just more of this. Not really, but thank you for watching. Bye.